We are back. So the first week of August after we got back from vacation was a good time for us. Jose and I talked about it. We did a fast. Now I didn't want to film too much during my fast. Keeping it real with you, stop that recording, start another. We did a fast, a water only fast, which is very difficult. We've done it before. When we do this, we gather as many prayer requests or just touch base with friends as far as what can we be partnering in this time, what can we be believing for, what can we be storming heaven for. Work hard, pray harder. I've always loved this cup. I think I will always like this cup no matter what. Being in the Word daily is so important to this journey. Say hello to my little drink. Some greens in there. I think I put it in with obviously some water and some like grapefruit sparkling water. But this is what gives me my nutrients, especially during a fast. And I take it. It's a little bubbly, so it could add a little difference to the day of water. Serving is another key component. Serve others. And then moments that we enjoy without guilt, some shaved ice. First time the boys tried it. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. If you've been following me since the little beginning, go ahead, make sure you've liked and subscribed and share. These are my favorite pancakes. They're protein pancakes. I've made them for some time now. Love the flavor, love the consistency, love the packed protein it's in. I've been doing it since pregnant and then carrying it on now just as I try to add variety to my calorie deficit but still feel full. Simple, delicious snack. Whether it be lunch and dinner, I'm trying to stick to having them be right at that 400 or just a little above, and definitely not surpassing much of the 500 calorie range. I'm still on it, I swear. Just after vacay, getting in back to work, then getting ready for school, being in the week of the school, having Jose on a work trip, me doing first day of school by myself. It's just a lot, but I'm still catching little moments. I'm still focusing on a calorie deficit diet. Haven't been able to work out yet, but it's coming. I swear, outside of walks, it is coming. It's coming, y'all. I'm going to get in that garage, or I'm going to be able to hit the gym and lift some weights because I want to, not because I feel like I want, not like I feel like I need to. I want to. I like to work out, but anyway, when I weighed myself on Saturday, I was 173.3. Don't know where I'll be this Saturday, but we'll see as far as the tracking. But just know I am still on it, but it's just real life with responsibilities and children and keeping it all together. And with it getting busy and having to get work done first before my creating, it just is going to take a little bit. So, yeah, it's been great. I enjoy, it's going to sound so weird and fake probably, but I enjoy watching what I eat during the week. There are times where I swear to you, I just want to eat something I know I shouldn't. But, and I hope this is a shining little tunnel end for somebody, shining light at the end of the tunnel for somebody. The more work I put in, not just in my physical habits, and then just years of learning why I have relied on food or why I emotionally ate or why whatever, and pair that up with spiritual healing and just really seeing my worth in the Lord and not my worth in what I wear and what I look like and what I do. Woo! It really has made it a wonderful journey to just enjoy life, enjoy some of my favorite comfort foods, but also tighten up and watch what I eat, watch my quantities, my portions, make smarter choices, and just again, freely, guilt-free, enjoy some of the bad things, you know? So, I'm still here. I'm still going. Yes, the posts have spaced out, but this is an ongoing thing. You know, mother of 3, very active, 2 very active, 1 just needy. I'm doing what I can, and this is the whole point of this. The whole point is to have you come along with me and see how I do things. Probably not as intricate as one would like, maybe, but I at least share that I'm doing good, y'all. I'm doing good, guys. 173.3 the last time I weighed myself. The next time I weigh myself is Saturday. And I'll let you know. But here's to when this gets posted. Here's to when things get added in and you see some of the foods I've been eating this week. And again, let me know. Ask me something. Let me know how you're struggling. Let me know how I can be praying for you, because all of this that I'm doing, completing, and having done and accomplished with peace, without guilt, and while still enjoying life, it's all because God is right at the center. I sound really corny, but that's what I got. See ya.
If you made it this far, be sure to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at BamBamLaura. I'm here sharing what the Lord has downloaded to me, what He's revealed to me, what I've been walking out, what I'm currently walking out. Let's do this together.